Hey guys, Marissa RUNYON here. We're in New York City and we're about to go to Jenny Cipoletti's house, fashion blogger Margot and me, and we're going with her to the Tom Ford show today. So we're gonna watch her get her hair and makeup done, see what her look is, and just hang out with her for a little while. Come on.
Hello, so good to see you.
Nice to see you. Thank you for having us.
Of course, come on in.
Thanks.
All right, so you're getting here perfect timing. We're just beginning to set up.
Amazing. Oh my God, your room is gorgeous.
Oh, thank you.
Such a beautiful space.
Thank you. So we have Tristan here from IGK.
Hi.
And he's
Nice to meet you.
doing my hair tonight.
Amazing.
And then we have Juan from the Tom Ford beauty
Nice to meet
team.
you.
And so we're, just gonna start getting ready for the show.
Oh my God, I'm so excited. So what kind of look are you guys going for tonight?
Well, I'm kind of channeling a little, Michelle Pfeiffer from Scarface look.
So good.
I've got the short bob
You're
going
getting
on
the
right
perfect
now.
hair for it.
So we're gonna do a really clean part down the middle.
Yep.
And just really sleek it out. And I think it's
So
gonna
nice.
be like perfectly complemented with like a black smoky eye.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Well, don't let me slow you guys down. Get started. We'll have a nice chat while you do it. This is looking so beautiful. You have to tell me everything you're using and what you're doing. Are you so happy so far? Have you seen it?
So excited. No, I haven't spun around and seen the look yet.
Big reveal. I love this lip color. What is this lip color?
It's actually a classic. It's by Tom Ford. It's called Blush Nude. It's a perfect nude for any smoky eye, whether it's super black or even a brown smoky. It's like super perfect. It creates a nice balance.
Yeah.
So today we committed to a smoky eye.
Definitely. We knew we were going there.
Yeah, so we definitely wanted to choose a lipstick that was going to be nice and, soft.
It's a perfect compliment.
I like to choose like one or the other too. It's either like a bold lip or like a bold eye, and I gravitate towards doing my eyes more than I do my lips anyway. So I was really excited when he was like, "Yes, let's do a nude lip."
Are you more of a red lip girl or a nude lip? Yeah,
more
nude
of a
lip.
nude. I tend to gravitate towards like more of a blush tone. Mm-hmm. Like even sometimes like one of my tricks is I'll put a blush on my cheek, put a little like chapstick on, and then use the same exact color.
Smart.
Just for like that like woke up like this kind of look.
Right? Like this is my natural lip color kind of look.
Exactly, but it's not.
Yeah, so lashes are the thing that I'm always coveting on other people, and I always am asking about mascara, are you wearing lashes, the whole thing. Love watching artists put on lashes because I just want to learn how to do this. Everyone I've noticed uses tweezers, so I need to start practicing. What kind of lash glue do you like to use?
Duo. Duo's the best.
The only one.
Yes, it's a very
Everyone says.
safe glue.
One of the things I've like died over lately, and I swear this is hashtag not sponsored, is NARS's new CLIMAX. It just like builds so well. I'm obsessed with it. I wear it every day.
Okay,
I can literally just
try
like
it.
pat it on my eye and it's like full lash.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's my favorite.
See, everybody needs to know.
Yeah.
So do you like to wear false lashes or do you like to only wear mascara?
Well, I went through a phase where I was doing falsies for a bit, but I tend to gravitate towards just, naturally enhancing my natural lash just because it's healthier.
Yeah, I know. It's the hard part.
I know. So when I'm doing a special event, I'll throw on a little, like a few on the ends.
Individuals.
Yeah. But in terms of like doing falsies, you know what? It's a summertime thing. So like on the beach, when you want to have like, a no makeup look, lashes really add that like, done look without being done.
So smart. Yep,
so
that's true.
I'll do my lashes sometimes in the summer if I'm going on vacation or something.
Love it. And is this eye a big departure for you?
Well, it's kind of like a graduation to this look because I do a cat eye every single day. It's like my signature.
Ooh,
I love
cat eye.
I love
the
a good
red
cat eye.
And you're good at it by now. Gosh, you wear it every day.
I perfected it. I can do it in under 2 minutes.
What?
Yes.
Oh my gosh,
That's
one
big.
day I need you to do that for us.
I will. We'll do a tutorial.
Yeah, this is a nice
so
spin on
yeah,
it.
it kind of like steps it up a little bit, especially, since we're going into the evening, and so I really wanted to pump up the drama.
It's so pretty, and it has like a little sparkle to it too.
Yeah.
What did you use to get that sparkle on it? Because I love a smoky eye with a little extra something.
Absolutely.
And this is a little extra something.
Yeah.
I use the Tom Ford Titanium Smoke Palette.
Oh, that's nice.
It's like our classic smoky palette. Great for any big evening.
And I noticed you did the eyes first.
Yes.
And then the skin. What are the thoughts? I know it's like
actually-
a 50-50 split. Some people like to do it the other way around.
I just flip-flopped. I used to be skin first and then eye, but I feel like, especially now during Fashion Week, there's so many events that you have to have your makeup done for, and especially when you have the cat eye done, you don't want to like, oops, messed up, and then like take off all of your foundation that you just spent so much time doing. So I love that you did the eye first too, because I was like learning from the professionals.
Totally. It saves a lot of time. And since we both committed to that really smoky eye, it was actually pretty easy. Just really go for that liner, pack the shadow on top, and make it pop.
And then clean it up.
Totally.
I love that. You just kind of
Q-tips.
like took it to the Q-tip, and the Q-tip kind of like led the shape of it.
Absolutely.
That was great.
Yeah, it all happens organically.
That's really
Learning.
smart.
Yeah.
That's the best way to learn. Like
I know.
anytime you get your makeup done, you watch them get your makeup done.
Yeah.
Anytime I have a pro in the room, I'm like, now tell me what you did.
Exactly.
Now tell me what's that.
So now we're gonna finish it off with a nice gloss. It's called Naked by Tom Ford. It's really just gonna set it all off.
What do we think? Is it coming
amazing.
together? Okay, somebody hand me a mirror.
We need a big reveal.
Let's see.
It's so good. And the hair on point.
All right. Wow. Oh my gosh. I actually do love the gloss with this.
Yeah,
Not normally gravitating towards like a gloss, but I think it really works with
absolutely.
the eye. Yeah,
Yes.
I love
So
it. Thank
good.
you.
If you guys don't already follow her on Instagram or your blog, but every photo just looks like a beautiful editorial.
Oh,
It's
thank you.
So well thought out and elegant. And
Thank you.
so much inspo there because you love color and you
Yeah.
love texture, and I
Yeah.
love how you play with those both of those things.
Yeah, especially because my husband and I work together and he does all the photography, so it's really fun for us
Amazing.
to like scout a location and then say, okay, this is the backdrop, what are we gonna get that really pops from there?
That's the thing. If you have a great background and an amazing wardrobe, it's like guarantee amazing photo.
We try.
Yeah. So I don't think we even talked about your look yet.
Oh yes, my look.
We need to see what you're wearing.
Okay, I think I'm gonna step out and get ready really quickly.
Oh, amazing.
Throw my look on.
Yes.
Throw the jewels on.
Let's see it.
Okay.
You look amazing.
Thank you.
How do you feel?
I feel Tom Ford appropriate.
It's extremely Tom Ford appropriate.
Thank you.
So tell me about these earrings.
Oh, these are Monsieur, which I love, and they're two different pairs.
I love that.
But I decided to mix and match them.
So cool.
And because the back has this like really delicate gold detail,
good.
I just wanted to like up the drama in the front as well. So that's what I went with.
I love it. And so what bag are you carrying?
Ooh, that's a great question. So this is a little satin piece by Jimmy Choo, which
Beautiful.
I love. It's just so sweet. I love the little diamond in the center.
And I love its crushed velvet. It's so great. I mean, obviously for Tom Ford, it's so sleek and sexy and streamlined and perfect.
I'm ready to go.
Awesome. Well, we're going to see you on the carpet.
All right, I'll see you there.
And we'll see you so soon.
Okay, great.
Yay, thanks for having us.
Thank
I don't
you.
want to mess you up. I'm going to air kiss you.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Air kiss.
Mwah.
Okay, Jenny, we were just with you at your house.
I know, it was like 5 seconds ago, and now we're here.
I'm loving this highlight on the shoulder right now.
Oh, do you love it?
Such a moment.
Yes, it's a little Tom Ford shimmer. I'm gonna have to look up the name for you, but I don't know, I just love covering my entire body in it.
Yeah, I know. I love a good glow. So, what's the first thing you think of when you hear the name Tom Ford?
Dark and mysterious. I love it. And I don't know if tonight's gonna be all about like the drama or the romanticism, so I'm really excited to see what he has in store.
So, what are 3 pro tips for surviving Fashion Week? You're a pro.
All right, 3 pro tips. Here we go. Always carry a phone charger in your bag. Always carry a little stick of gum because there's a lot of socializing going on. And don't drink too much at the after parties.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.